depths of cosmic night, your soul calls out to me. My fingers trace your fate tonight, your destiny are free. Mortal bones awake and bend when rhythm starts to flow. Your time on earth comes to an end as darkness starts to grow. When I dance, the world will die. Thunder breaks across the sky. Feel the power in my stride. All creation burns inside. Let it burn. Vision scrolls beneath my feet, your name in prison stains. My movements beat your heart's last beat while chaos breaks and chains. Every service of station, every spin brings fear. Complete and total desolation, the end is drawing near. When I dance, the world will die. Thunder breaks across the sky. Feel the power in my stride. All creation burns inside. Let it burn. Destruction flows through my veins, I stops as I command. Reality bends and strains the universe in my hands. Your final breath becomes the wind that fuels my cosmic dance. Your soul, the power that dies then in death's eternal trance. All dimensions start to fall as human takes control. I am the one who wins it all, and that's we soul. When I dance, the world will die. Thunder breaks across the sky. Feel the power in my stride. All creation burns inside. Let it burn.
Started with a hunger count paper late, building empires higher, watch my kingdom inflate. They say money talks, but power makes it sing. Every step I take, I feel the weight of everything. Can't stop climbing mountains, addicted to the peak. The air gets thin up here, but still I never sleep. Looking down on others from my tower made of greed. Every throne I build becomes my prison. Indeed, every throne I build becomes my prison. Every crown I wear just adds to my division. Every step up high leads deeper in my mission. Every throne I build becomes my prison. Every move I make erases my decision. Capital steps calling, now I'm chasing laws. Pulling puppet strings while they all give applause. Paint myself a savior, hide behind the votes while my soul's drowning deep in power's antidotes. Think I'm getting closer to the stars above, trading all my values for a taste of love. From the people crying out my name below. Every throne I build just steals my soul. You know, every throne I build becomes my prison. Every crown I wear just adds to my division. Every step up high leads deeper in my mission. Every throne I build becomes my prison. Every move I make erases my decision.
Let me be your guide.
I've lost sight of ground.
Let me be your guide.
Can't turn this around.
Let me be your guide.
The air is getting thin.
Let me be your guide.
As I burn within. Now I'm seeing visions of celestial heights. Think I'm touching heaven, but I'm losing light. Playing with creation like a child's game, till the lightning strikes and sets my mind aflame. All these thrones are burning, ashes in my hands. Everything I built just sinks into the sand. Should've known that power was a poison seed. Every throne I build becomes my prison. Indeed, every throne I build becomes my prison. Every crown I wear just adds to my division. Every step up high leads deeper in my mission. Every throne I build becomes my prison. Every move I make erases my decision.
We break, we bend, we fall, but we rise again. Gave you all my colors, you left me in the gray. Said you'd stay forever, but forever slipped away. Watched the stars go quiet, your echo filled the air. Lost in crowded spaces, but you're the one not there. Cried 1,000 nights, drowned in every why. But even in the dark I still look to the sky. And I rise again like the sun through the storm. From the ashes of love I'm reborn, I'm reborn. You broke me but you made me strong. Now I'm singing my own song. I find shine within, but every time I rise again. Not the war I've won. Found peace in broken pieces, no longer on the run. You thought I'd stay shattered, just a whisper in the wind. But I turned my pain to poetry, this is where I begin. Cried 1,000 nights, drowned in every why. But even in the dark I still look to the sky. And I rise again like the sun through the storm. From the ashes of love I'm reborn, I'm reborn. You broke me but you made me strong. Now I'm singing my own song. I follow your shadow within, but every time I rise again. took the hurt and made it whole.